Need to move SLoan funds to Gcash fast? Here's how in 1 minute. Step 1. Open the Shopee app and tap me at the bottom right. Tap Loans or SLoan to open your loan dashboard and view balance. Step 2. Tap Withdraw and choose Transfer to Bank as the withdrawal method. Enter the bank details linked to your Gcash or your personal bank account and input the amount. Review fees and processing time, then confirm the withdrawal and wait for the transaction to process. Open the Gcash app and go to Cash In or Bank Transfer to prepare for the deposit. If you withdrew to your bank, choose your bank under the Cash In options and select the instant transfer method. Enter the exact amount and reference details shown in Shopee, then confirm and approve with your OTP. Security tip: never share OTPs, enable two-factor authentication, and verify account names before sending. Check your Shopee and Gcash transaction histories to confirm the funds arrived, and save receipts for records. All set. Subscribe for more step-by-step app tutorials and comment if you want versions for other wallets.